Time is around 8 o'clock. Maybe we'll reach by 11:30 we will reach Bangalore. And immediately when we go there, we put them into their positions and open the box. We need to start understanding living with one of the most important species, okay, in our livelihoods. Without that species, actually we don't exist. They are called keystone species. One such keystone species is a bee. The question is, how do we tell people what's happening in bees' life? One such attempt, okay, from Akshayakalpa is, can a consumer or anybody who is interested in beekeeping, can he keep a bee box in his backyard? Urbanite is not really appreciating what is happening in farming space. That know-how, that knowledge, we would like to ensure we'll bring it through this program. Doing practical things with people, live people, integrating bees into their lives and recording their learnings, their challenges, and creating that ecology which can coexist.
ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
Without bees being pollinators, most of the crops actually will not be able to grow. This has been Akshayakalpa's dream from past 16 years, how to build an inclusive ecosystem. The ecosystem definition is fairly complex. The ecology definition is fairly complex. Bees are part of that ecology. Humans are part of ecology. If there is a conflict between bees and humans, the existence actually comes into question. Also, there is a lot of fear on bees. How do we remove that fear? That fear cannot be removed by YouTube videos. We believe you should actually do hands-on beekeeping. Can we become beekeepers so that our children learn about keystone species? To become a farmer, you need not actually go and own a farmland. You can just do with a very, very small area, 3 feet by 3 feet, your backyard, you can become a farmer by becoming a beekeeper.